This camera has face detection, 4K, zoom lenses. It is completely waterproof. We sell it on eBay. We got the standard plugs within. See this? It works with all Android and iOS applications. Big box in it, right? It's heavy. It has more than 2 kilos. Heavy armed. Nice. You got everything in box. Bracket for holding and secret cable type. There is plug. You can charge it through DC 12 volts. For that kind we use standard power supply adapter, which is not included. You should buy it separately. You can charge it through PoE, power over Ethernet. You can have this in your separately or in your NVR DVR. These plugs here. From back side you see LAN PoE, different alarms and audio in, audio out, so you can listen. You can put mic here and same time speaker, so you can say watch out and everybody hear you there. So what else? 2 behavior analysis, face detection, VDR. It is not bulletproof, but it is vandal resistant. It has built-in micro SD card slot up to you see, not included. VDR, 3D NDR, many features. You can check it online. Thank you for watching and bye.